What is the truth behind sanitization protocols, fogging, spraying, and all the protocols used to disinfect the premises at your office, your workplace, or your home? Fogging, as described by CDC, Center for Disease Prevention and Control USA, carries no meaning. Actually, if you fog a particular premise in the United States, it is considered a violation of the federal law and you might be put behind the bars. In India, everything goes on as far as it satisfies the political or economical interests of a particular section. Fogging using any kind of chemical, whether it is sodium hypochlorite, benzalkonium chloride, chlorozanol, alcohol, has no meaning. It has been proven that it is not effective in controlling or reducing the viral load of the COVID virus. The only thing which is effective, recommended by CDC, WHO, is cleaning the affected surface with a cloth dipped in soap, water, or detergent, and using a vigorous hand movement to clean the surface for at least 15 seconds. The heat or the friction generated in the process destroys the virus, not the chemical, not the soap, not the detergent. It might have an additive action, but that is not the sole action of the agent. So, do not use any kind of fogging chemical or sprays in your premises. Do not pay thousands of rupees to agencies who take contracts for sanitization, fogging of your premises, office, residential societies, townships, etc. So now you'll ask me whether fogging or spraying has no use, no benefit at all. Of course it is beneficial. It is beneficial to those who sell those products. It is beneficial to those who manufacture fogging devices, the chemicals used in the fogging process, and to the third parties who promote such products. For example, the office bearers of your particular residential society or township who take contributions from all its society members. In this regard, they might be benefited by it. The supplier, the distributors, the sellers might be benefited, but medically, technically speaking, I speak with full authority that it has no proven benefit in reducing COVID. I am ready to come on any open stage to discuss with any particular expert on this regard. Secondly, any chemical which is being sprayed, like an insecticide is being sprayed in the fields, has no value at all. Similarly, so come out of the fear of sanitizing, fogging your premises. Same holds good with the municipal corporations across India. Many times I have seen the Indore Municipal Corporation people fogging or spraying the premises of people who are infected with COVID. That is an entirely useless process, wastes a lot of money, energy and time, and creates a misconception and stigma. That should also stop immediately. Thank you.